What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Juan here, back with another video. Today, I will be doing a recap into how I made $713 trading the Nasdaq this morning, and how I caught roughly 37 points to the upside on my XFA account. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Here's the trade that I caught. Caught these two long positions. I went two for two, two trades, one loss, one win. Came out green for the day, 713. And yeah, here's the trade breakdown. Market open at 9:30. First things first, I do want to mention that we are extremely fucking bullish on the 4 hour and on the daily time frame. We can see that we are literally about to enter all-time highs right around here. So I knew today could have been either fucking terrible or just overall very high probability, right? So at the opening of the market, we have New York highs. I'm not annotating London's highs because London highs actually got swept pre-market. Okay, right around here, and we have London's lows right around here, as well as Asia lows. So I am not interested in taking a trade before we sweep these highs, these lows, or these lows. Okay, I got my key level liquidity areas that I want to see swept before I execute any positions in the markets. Okay, same as usual, same setup I always fucking catch. This algorithm repeats, as I've said before, and anybody can honestly fucking capitalize off this shit. Just how I did today and just how I do most days. So at the opening, as I said, we swept London's lows pre-market right around here at 9:30. So I am waiting for Asia sweep. Okay, as soon as we swept Asia, we have two liquidity sweeps being presented. Previous sessions, liquidity got swept. So all I'm waiting for after this point moving forward is a change in the state of delivery and an inverse for a value gap to where I can attack the next drawn liquidity being New York highs. Okay, again, liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep. I'm expecting a reversal in price action. So the first trade I actually took was after we inverse right around here, this minor 1 minute imbalance that you guys see over here, this wick, this body candle in between, bearish 1 minute for a value gap. We ended up inversing it, but this trade happened very early into the day. It was 9:33, and you guys know the first 10 minutes of the market can be very volatile and very manipulated. So market manipulation honestly got me stopped the fuck out, and I just honestly had to take that fucking L. Okay, enter at the inversion of this minor imbalance. We did invert it, got stopped out. However, we have right around here a 5 minute bearish for value gap that I wanted to see an inversion of it if I'm still bullish for the day, if I'm still bullish for the move, right? Right around here. And as soon as we actually inversed it on the 1 minute, I ended up re-entering positions right around here. As soon as I saw this get inverted with a lot of displacement up, okay, still gave me confluence to go long and target opposing liquidity right around here. This high, this imbalance right here that I'll talk about later on the day, or New York highs, right? We ended up actually attacking and sweeping entirely New York highs. So after we inverse this 5 minute imbalance, I entered with one contract. Price ended up being a little bit choppy and wakey. Came all the way down here. Had my stops right over here. Almost got stopped out into trade. But as soon as I saw this bearish candle flip to the upside, I added another contract and ended up entering this position with two contracts. Luckily, this trade actually displaced up, and I simply targeted opposing liquidity. I exited. I didn't quite prematurely exit it. Rather, I noticed this imbalance right around here. Okay, it's 1 minute imbalance that I knew price could, reach and then reject from there. So I honestly didn't want to risk it, even though I was pretty confident into the drawn liquidity being these near highs. I honestly exited at this bearish PD array right around here, right, and made myself available and caught 37 points to the upside. The initial trade, the initial move, had I used maybe a wider stop loss, would have been 44. Lost that trade, re-entered positions, and caught 37 points to the upside, making $713 in profit. Okay, moving forward, I'm gonna objectively, if I am very confident on the drawn liquidity, possibly hold a run, right? I do tend to struggle with that a bit, but it's not something I need to, immediately correct. I've gotten payouts with a low risk to reward, high win rate. So if it's not broken, don't fix it, right? But objectively, in some days, possibly break even, scale out of positions, and leave a contract on, leave a run to this external draw. Okay. Today, I exited at this 1 minute imbalance. All right, guys. Caught 37 points to the upside. Again, the edge remains. Liquidity sweep reversal, swept London, swept Asia, expecting a reversal in price action. Inverse this 1 minute, inverse this 5 minute, and got the fucking job done. All right, boys, some good clean PA today. I see price now is displacing down. Maybe we don't attack, all times highs. It's currently now 1:49 p.m. We're already in the PM session. So, hey, can't complain about today. All right, guys. Here's how I made $713 trading the Nasdaq this morning. Next week, we're gonna come back with more bangers, more payouts, and just keep fucking getting better. All right, boys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. You're not only helping me, but you're also helping other traders that want to see this type of content by just showing some fucking support. All right, if you fucking want. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's fucking